so big. Lord have mercy. Oh. Ooh. What's up, my loves? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and what's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey. Y'all see your girls putting out these videos, huh? I hope y'all see, and I hope y'all taking notice that I'm working hard. Today, guys, we have Eyescream beauty box. This is a request from you guys. I did do a 3-month subscription, so this is my second box, and after the third box I will decide if I will keep this sub or not. So if you want to see what we got in September's box, y'all look, don't move, stay there, because it's going to be quick and it's coming at you soon. Okay, thank you. And, girl, and if you haven't subscribed, and girl, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hell to freeze over, another hurricane, but you need to go in and do it right now. Like now. Stop, pause, and do it. Thank you. This is a bonus video for that ass boo, so they will not have shout outs in this video, my loves. So yeah, and I don't have a drink either. Double whammy, huh? I know. Sorry. So this is the Eyescream beauty box. This is a monthly beauty subscription. It's $24 per month plus free shipping. You're supposed to receive 5 to 7 items each month, ranging from makeup, skincare, and like beauty tools. There's a palette in every box, and you can cancel at any time. They also have the Eyescream beauty bag, and this one is $12.50 a month. And in that box, you get 3 to 5 items. So I don't have a code for this one, guys. You know, I pay for this with my own money. So we're gonna cut this open. I haven't even opened it yet, loves, so we're gonna be surprised together. All right. The last unboxing, I'll put it up above so you guys can see it. It was okay. Wasn't like one of my favorites for the month. It was just okay. This is what the inside is looking like with the little penis looking things. Well, this is a mighty small penis, the little noodle. Let me say noodle. And I did not see any overall box value on their site, so I'm not sure of what that is. But we do get a card each month, and it says school is in session. All right, we have 2, 4, 5 products in this month's box, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. First product is bubble wrapped. I do like that they do take the time to package individually each product. This is from Bella Pierre. It is the Ultra Glow Highlighting and Bronze Palette. Now, I'm not sure if I received this already from them. Maybe. I'm gonna have to look back and see. I know I just got, oh, I think this was in like a lashy box. All right, so we got a mirror. Hey, love. And this is the palette. This is definitely a beautiful highlighting and bronzing palette. These 2 shades are really pretty. I do love these too. I'm not gonna swatch this, guys, because I'll be putting this in a giveaway, but this is a beautiful palette. I love it. And this one right here, oops, girl, look, there we go. And this right here, loves, retails for 29 buckaroos. Next product is from My Couture. This is the oil blotting and bronzing papers right here. Ooh, I do love a blotting paper. Since I am oily combo skin, I do like that. And it's a bronzing thing too. All right, that's what it looks like when we open it up. Oh, okay. So it comes like a little book, and they're bronzing and blotting papers. All right, so let's just take one out and see what happens. We tear it out. Let's see. Try to tear it out. Oh, I hope that's right. So this is what it looks like that. So on this side, I guess you're gonna blot. All right, and on this side, I guess you're gonna bronze. So let's go ahead and hit that forehead a little bit. I don't know if I see no difference, but it did take some oil off. Okay, this is very different, and I am definitely feeling this. I actually really like this. This is such a cool idea and so different for subscription boxes, and this one is $18, guys. A 2-in-1 blotting and bronzing paper. How cool is that? I know. And I will say this is a very makeup heavy box. So the next product is also bubble wrapped right here. And let's get this baby opened. All right, this is from Basic Beauty. This is the Bougie Wine Tasting Trio. Oh girl, it's a blush palette. Oh my goodness, I hope it's shades that I could work with. Ooh, I hope it's shades we can work with, y'all. Please be Brown skin friendly, please, please, please. Oh, you pull this out. That's what the packaging is looking like right there. And they have bottle of Dom, bottle of Rosé, and bottle of Prosecco, or something like that. Y'all know what it is. Oh, girl. Okay, ice cream. Boo, I'm gonna tell you right now, girl, we got a mirror. Oh, hey, love, girl. Let me tell y'all something. Oh, and I do see in the comments that some of you guys say that when you open your makeup palettes or you see a mirror, you say that. Doesn't it make you feel so much better? I mean, it does for me. I'm so happy that you guys are now doing that and saying that just to make you feel better. Y'all know I'm all about, you know, positivity. All right, y'all. Now look at this. I don't know if y'all can even see that good. Like, this is beautiful. Look at the deep colors. This will work actually for every, oh, I'm so animated, but look at that shit. Oh, girl, I gotta swatch it. Oh my word. Look, girl, like that is gonna look so beautiful on my skin. Oh, I did it awkwardly. Girl. Oh, girl. All right, like that. That is gonna look so pretty on my skin. This is definitely a blush trio, boo. It is brown girl friendly, white girl friendly, pale girl friendly, medium girl for everything friendly. I think a lot of people can actually use this. Oh, ooh, yeah. Yeah, okay. This might be like my favorite little product right here. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot. All right, let me see what this retails for. I'm just going on and on. This is $30, and I think it's, dang, it's got a lot of pigment. It covered up a little bit of my highlighter. I'm excited for this. Now, I'm very excited. This box just went up. All right, guys, so next we have from Marabella Lip, and this is a Velvet Lip Pencil Crayon right there. And this is in the shade Forever. Forever, my lady. If you're a Jodeci fan, baby, let me know. All right, guys, this is what it looks like out of the packaging. When we open it, please hold someone's call. All right, that was my mom, guys. So this is the lip pencil here. That's the shade. It is like a pinky shade. Let's see. Ooh, that is very pink, yeah. All right, so this I'll probably pass on to my niece. Yeah, because this is not nothing that I'm aware. Ooh, girl, no. It's like crackhead mouth. Oh, no, we don't know. It's creamy, though. Well, maybe it doesn't look bad. I don't know. We might keep this. All right. Look at God, boo. Look at him. I'm having a good day today, guys. I hope you are, too. I hope all of this energy just boom right to you, right? I just hope it hit you right now in your chest. Boom. All right, I'm not gonna be extra no more. All right, anyway, this is our last product, guys, and it is a palette. All right, and this is from Ace Beauty. Ooh, this is the Blossom Passion palette, and we're gonna open this baby up real quick. Let's see. All right, that's what we're looking like there. And when we open it, oh my God, girl, we got another mirror. Like, how much? Hey, love. Girl, you rocking that pony. Ooh. All right. Ooh. Okay. Look at that. Get into this. I am filming this video on the official first day of fall. Y'all know I love fall and winter. That is like my... Look at this palette. Like this shade right here. These two. These two right here alone is just like... And this one. Oh my God. Look how beautiful... This is a beautiful palette. I love it. Ooh. Even this one. Like these are... Ooh, a nice deep... Okay, I have to swatch it. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, they got shimmers and mattes in here. Oh, this is a pretty palette, y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful palette. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, look at that. Pigmented. All right, Ace Beauty. I like this one, too. And this is... Oh, the lip crayon, guys, was $20. And the palette here is $35, okay? And I'm liking this little lip. All right, so that was our final product. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this beautiful palette here from Ace Beauty. This lip pencil here from Marabella. Beautiful blush trio from Basic Beauty. From My Culture, this is the blotting and bronzer paper. And from Bella Pierre, this highlighter and bronzing palette. These 5 products right here, my loves. And we're gonna quickly add it up and I'm gonna give you guys a total and final thoughts. All right, with everything added up, it's $132 value for this month. And let me do my final thoughts. Now, last month's box was okay to me. I really wasn't like totally sold on it. I really wasn't feeling it too much. But my goodness, have they redeemed themselves, y'all. This box for the month of September was one of my favorites this month, hands down. What I like the most is that it is brown girl friendly. It's really everybody friendly, but I focus on like dark complected because I am. So I'm happy that out of all of this makeup, I could use every single product and it will match with my skin tone. From the trio to the ultra, the highlighting bronzing palette, the eye palette, this pencil, like the blotting paper. I mean, I must say, Eyescream, boo, y'all hit it out the park this month. Like, and this, y'all know I'm always honest. I pay for this with my money, and if it was bad, y'all know I would say, But I would give this a 5 out of 5 for the month of September. I'm not throwing it away just yet, y'all. So I enjoyed this month's box. It was really more than I was expecting, y'all. So yes, let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Let me know if you subscribed to this box because this month here, boo, is thebomb.com and all that shit. All right, loves. If you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all of my social media. It is linked down below. And subscribe. I told you that already, right? Yes. Okay. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up if you don't like it. I don't want to see no thumbs down either. Remember that. All right, loves. That's all I have. Even the lip is popping. Look at that. Pray for me. All right, loves. I will talk to y'all in the comments and see you on my next video. Bye. Boot is so big. Lord have mercy. Oh, oh.